you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm iamegotripn and your girl back with another video. I am back with another video, so I hope you guys are all doing well. I hope you guys have a wonderful, fantastic weekend. And if I don't get a chance to tell you guys happy Mother's Day to all the mothers out there who are raising kids, helping raise kids. For those of you who don't have kids that are actually, you know, being a mother to someone's child or being an aunt and uncle, whatever, happy Mother's Day. So, even though it's next weekend, but happy Mother's Day. So anyway, today we're coming to you guys with the second, this is my second Ipsy Glam bag plus. So it's not a big old deal because it is my second bag, but it is a big deal because I love makeup and I want to show y'all. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in my Ipsy Plus bag for the month of April, then we finna get into it. So let me show y'all the bag. Even though I know y'all know what the bag look like, but whatever. This is a bag right here. This is the bag. Y'all know this bag is cute or whatever. It's okay. It's okay. But y'all know I do not care about these bags. Y'all know I only care about what's in these bags. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I got in my Ipsy Glam bag plus for the month of April, then let's get on into it. So first thing I don't even know, here's the card. First thing first, I forgot to show you the card. So the card for April 2022 is Keep On Growing. And of course, you know, it has the Glam Bag X Madeline. I don't know her last name, but there it is right there. Doesn't have the name of the products or any of the items on the card. So the first thing we're gonna pull out the bag is this Yensa foundation right here. And I actually really like this foundation. I've never used their foundation at all, but it went on really good. I'll make sure to put a video right here so you guys can see me put it on and how it melted into my skin. I actually love this foundation, so I'm gonna definitely be looking up. I'm gonna look up some reviews on this, but I like the foundation. I loved it. It turned out really pretty. I mean, it wasn't actually, hell, it had me second guessing the foundation that I use for real. I felt like it went on real good. I'm not sure exactly if it was I think this is more like a neutral undertone. I don't want to say olive undertone, but I'm thinking more of a neutral instead of a golden, something that I typically use. But hell, it went on real good, actually. It turned out really good on my face. I mean, I have it on now. It's been like, what, 8 hours since I've had this foundation on, and it hasn't moved. The makeup is on, okay? It is on, it's pretty. I'm not sure if this was a full coverage because, again, I didn't do my research, but it's definitely buildable. I'm not sure what this was, y'all. I ain't gonna even say because I don't want to be putting that out there, but it says a super serum silk foundation with vitamin C and E. So again, it went on really good and I was definitely happy to receive this. So that is it. All right, the next product in the bag is this Kimchi Puff Pass setting powder right here. And it also came with a little puffer, little thing that I use. And this is the shade right here. It's kind of like it's a deeper shade. And I typically don't use that color, but actually it went on really good. What I did was I ended up putting my foundation on, and I put the video right here, and I just kind of set my foundation in place, and it worked out really good. Again, the makeup hasn't moved. The face is still sitting pretty. Hey, this stuff, I was happy to receive these. So this worked really good. I'm very excited to continue using this to set, because when I usually set underneath my eyes, y'all, when I put concealer and stuff on, I usually set with like I like more of a translucent powder for setting my under eyes and right here and right here. I just like more of a translucent powder, but I use this for setting the face, and it worked out good. So I love that. Let me know if you tried this down in the comments, or let me know if you like that, and let me know if you like kimchi. So I like that. I like that a lot. So that worked really good, and it came so pretty and packaged. Of course, I destroyed it, but packaging is everything. So it came really pretty. It came really pretty. The next product in the bag is this right here. These are eye masks. And this is more of a, it says plum eye mask. And this is the blue one that I had, that I actually been using this. These are very, very freaking hydrating, and they really do work, so I would definitely use this. So that's it. That's all I can say. Y'all know it's not as interesting for me to talk about skincare products as it is for makeup, so excuse me for the whatever. This is it, and I definitely use these. So I like this. I definitely like these eye masks. I really do. The next product in the bag is this right here. This is the Hip Dot, what is it? It says, it's called Sun Goddess, and it has 4 shades. It's a 4-shade face palette. And it says, you're a sun goddess, even if you haven't spent time in the sun lately. Create the ultimate sun kiss with these 4 highlight blush shades and soft blendable formula. So this is that, and this is really pretty. It was really pretty. And they swatch really good. So they swatch really pretty. This was really pretty. So there's the colors right there. Yeah, they swatch really pretty. So I like this. Perfect. Love it. And I did receive this in my other bag. This is the one that I swatched already in the other video. I didn't open the other one. I just used the one that I got in my first Ipsy Glam Bag Plus bag for the month. So this is that. The last product in the bag is this right here. This is the butter tea tree and aloe mask scrub, and it says triple action clay mask, foam cleanser, and deep exfoliator. So this is that. So we end up getting we end up receiving 2 skincare products, which is cool. But y'all know how I feel. I would rather receive 1 skincare product, but whatever. So anyways, we received the Gen Skin eye mask right here. We received the butter tea tree oil face, what is this? Tea tree and aloe face mask right here. We received the Yensa foundation right here, and this is a pretty good amount. So I'm digging this. Love it, love it, love it. And then we received the Kimchi Puff Puff Pass setting powder right here, and this is a lot too. This is really big. This will last a long time. I'm sure I couldn't even use that up. And then lastly, we received this Sunkissed little face palette right here. So this was a cool little bag. I can't complain at all. I can't complain at all. I'm super excited. I'm super excited for the months to come, because I've definitely been receiving a lot of repeats for sure. So I mean, I hope they really like get that together. Other than that, I am super excited, like, about the foundations and stuff in the bag, because so far we received, between Boxy and Ipsy, I received like 3 different foundations. So I received this Yensa foundation, I received the Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, and I received the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. And I tell you one thing for sure, is that I can really appreciate them getting my color right, because I've never, knock on wood, I never had a problem with them as far as shade matching when it comes to my foundation. And of course, I can't get mad if it's thrown off a little bit. I definitely try to make it work as far as the foundation, but they typically get the foundation right. So I'm very pleased about that. And that is it for this video. That is it for this video, you guys. This is the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus, my second one for the month of April. So let me know what you think about this bag, and that's okay if you don't even get a bag. It's okay if you don't get a bag. Let me know what you would like to try, or let me know if you already tried these products. So that is it for this video, guys. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Thank you for watching, and I appreciate y'all so much. So that is it. Please give me a big thumbs up, like, comment, and subscribe to me, and I appreciate it so much. So that is it. Let me go, because I got some stuff to do. Let me go, because I got some work to do. No, let me go. I gotta clean up, okay? I got work to do. Guys, if you guys seen what I was seeing, it's a mess. I gotta clean up. So let me go. I will see you guys in the next video. I am iamegotripn, and I'm out. And I'm out. And I'm out. No, let me quit. Let me go. I play too much. Bye, y'all. Bye.